In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stretch videos in CapCut. To get started, open your CapCut project. Once you're inside the project, make sure your video is already imported and placed on the timeline. This is important because you'll need the clip visible in your editing workspace before you can make any adjustments to its size. If you have more than one video in your timeline, just click on the specific clip you want to stretch so CapCut knows which one you're editing. After selecting the clip, move your attention to the preview window. Click directly on the video there and you should see handles appear around it. These handles let you resize the clip visually. To stretch the video, drag the handles outward. This makes the video appear larger in the frame. As you do this, keep an eye on the preview so you can decide how far you want to stretch it. This method is quick and useful if you want to make visual adjustments by hand and see the result immediately. If you want a more controlled way to do it, you can also use the Properties panel on the right side of the screen. First, make sure you're on the Video tab. Then under that section, switch to the Basic tab. In this area, look for the Scale setting. This is where you can adjust the size of the video more precisely. You can drag the scale slider to increase the size and stretch the video, or if you want more exact control, type a specific value into the field next to the slider. Using the scale option is especially helpful when you want consistency or when you need the video stretched to a very specific size. On the other hand, dragging the handles in the preview is great for quick edits and visual fine-tuning. Both methods do the same job, so you can use whichever feels easier for your workflow. As you make adjustments, remember to watch the frame carefully. Stretching a video too much can crop parts of the image or make the composition feel too tight, so it's a good idea to stop once the video looks balanced in the preview. And that's it. That's how you stretch videos in CapCut. Once you've adjusted the clip the way you want, you're ready to keep editing your project.